Hello people, the person showing his damn face is the editor of this textVerse channel. I'm Shakti. So if you like the videos of this channel, please do hit a subscribe and don't skip without subscribing. Skip to another channel because that's the thing we usually do. But we as a new channel, as a community, we need more subscribers, and not just subscribers, even to create visibility. As you know, YouTube requires this engagement metrics. So please do subscribe to this channel in case you enjoy the content, and please share it with your friends as well. Thanks a lot. That's why this damn face is here for. Thank you.